2010 Dodge Ram 1500. Took off the muffler. We call it a Muffy D around here. Let's check it out. Now Muffy D is trademarked, by the way. Look it up. All right, so over here, we have 3-inch piping, starting from the cat right there. 3-inch piping all the way through. Going, going, going. We hit it with a Y pipe. We turned on the truck. We're checking for leaks right now. DJ, any leaks?
We got them all.
DJ's basically a virgin around here. He thinks he's Rocky Balboa.
Have you heard? If you're in the game.
Anyway, we have the Y pipe over here. We have the Y pipe. We took off the muffler. That's the old muffler down there. Check that out. Very restricting. And then it comes all the way back. The customer wanted stock tips. If they wanted a straight piper, they would take off these 2 little mini resonators. It doesn't do too much though. The muffler delete itself does add a lot more noise. So just to say, if the customer did want to change the tip, we put something like this on there, stick it out, maybe a couple more inches. I don't know if that's his thing. Or we have these forged carbon G exhaust tips, 5-inch. I think these will look pretty dope. Even though the truck is blue, it could be red, silver, whatever. Pop those out like that. Look at these things in the sun. Beam, blow. Look good. All right, let's see how she sounds, yo. Guys, do me a favor, hit the thumbs up button. Even if you're not subscribed, it's alright. Hit the thumbs up button, get the algorithm going, and if you're not subscribed, subscribe. Yo, check out all the links in the description, our vlogs, everything.